Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech B, the go-to destination for all your product reviews. Today, we've got a hot topic for you, the best snowblowers of 2023. With winter just around the corner, you're going to want to stick around for this one. We've compiled a list of 6 top contenders. First up, let's dive into the Ariens ST28DLE, a snowblower that's revered by countless winter warriors. This powerhouse of a machine boasts an array of impressive features that make it a top contender in the 2023 snowblower lineup. From the moment you lay your eyes on it, you'll notice the robust build quality that's designed to withstand the harshest winter conditions. With a powerful engine under the hood, this snowblower can effortlessly tackle even the heaviest snowfalls, making quick work of your driveway or walkway. Craftsman SBD. Now, let's shift our attention to the Craftsman SBD. If you're looking for an accessory to take your snow clearing game to the next level, this is a must-have addition to consider. This deluxe snow cab attachment is designed to provide exceptional protection and convenience while operating your snowblower in challenging winter conditions. It's a game changer when it comes to keeping you comfortable during those extended snow clearing sessions. No more getting blasted by cold winds, snow, or sleet as you work to keep your driveway or paths clear. This attachment offers excellent coverage, effectively creating a barrier between you and the elements. The clear, see-through material not only shields you from wind and snow, but also allows for clear visibility while operating your snowblower. This is particularly valuable when precision and safety are paramount. Now let's take a closer look at the Joe SJ618E-P2 electric walk-behind single-stage snowblower. If you're in search of a compact and efficient snow clearing solution, this 18-inch, 13-amp snowblower from Joe might just be the perfect fit for your needs. Its 13-amp motor may not be the most robust in the market, but it's more than capable of handling light to moderate snowfalls with ease. This makes it an excellent choice for smaller driveways, walkways, and patios, where a larger, more powerful snowblower might be overkill. Weighing in at just around 25 pounds, it's easy to handle and maneuver, making it a great choice for users of all ages and strength levels. Whether you're clearing snow from your front porch or navigating tight spaces, this snowblower won't let you down. The 18-inch clearing width and 8-inch clearing depth allow you to make quick work of light to moderate snow accumulations. GYMAX. Now let's explore the GYMAX electric snow thrower, an 18-inch, 15-amp corded snowblower designed to make snow clearing a breeze. If you're in search of a snowblower that's not only efficient but also easy to maneuver, this model with 180-degree chute rotation and 2 transport wheels might be just what you need for your driveway and sidewalk maintenance. Its 15-amp motor packs a punch, allowing you to tackle moderate to heavy snowfalls effectively. This makes it a fantastic choice for homeowners who need to keep their driveways and sidewalks clear during the winter season. One of the standout features of this snowblower is its 180-degree chute rotation. This means you have complete control over where the ejected snow goes, minimizing the need for double pass clearing and ensuring that your pathways are cleared efficiently. Ariens ST28DLE. Up next, we have the Ariens ST28DLE Deluxe SJO, a 28-inch, 2-stage gas snowblower featuring an electric start. This formidable snow-clearing machine is a top choice for those who require uncompromising power and performance when dealing with significant snow accumulations. It stands as a testament to reliability and capability in the world of snowblowers. Its 2-stage design is perfectly suited for conquering the toughest winter conditions, effortlessly handling deep snow, packed ice, and drifts with precision. With its generous 28-inch clearing width, you'll be able to swiftly tackle large areas, making it ideal for homeowners with expansive driveways or commercial properties. This one goes above and beyond to provide user-friendly features that enhance your snow clearing experience. Multiple forward and reverse speeds offer versatility, allowing you to adjust the pace to match the specific snow conditions you're facing, providing efficient clearing and precise control. The adjustable chute rotation and deflector give you complete control over where the discharged snow lands, minimizing the need for additional cleanup work. And built with durability in mind, this snowblower is constructed to withstand the harsh winter elements. Its sturdy build and reliable components ensure longevity, making it an investment that will serve you well for years to come, season after season. PowerSmart PS21. Lastly, we have the PowerSmart Snowblower, a gas-powered 21-inch snowblower featuring a robust 212cc engine, electric start, LED light, and advanced single-stage snow-clearing technology. If you're searching for a reliable and feature-packed snowblower for winter snow removal, this model has a lot to offer. It is designed to make quick work of snow-covered surfaces with its 21-inch clearing width. Despite being a single-stage snowblower, it packs the power needed to handle moderate to heavy snowfalls efficiently. This makes it an excellent choice for homeowners looking to clear driveways, walkways, and pathways. The inclusion of a 2.2cc gas engine ensures that you have ample power at your disposal. This engine not only provides the necessary muscle for snow clearing, but also ensures reliable performance in cold weather conditions. No need to worry about struggling with a pull start, as this model boasts an electric start feature, allowing you to get to work quickly and effortlessly. Another standout features of this PowerSmart PS21 is the built-in LED light. This handy addition illuminates your path as you clear snow, making it perfect for early mornings or late-night snow clearing sessions. You'll have enhanced visibility and safety, ensuring you don't miss any spots. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.